In this video, I am going to tell you how to play the song Nearer My God to Thee in 4 parts using organ tone. So if you are having a keyboard, set it to pipe organ. If you are having a digital piano, set it to church organ tone. So what is meant by these 4 parts? 4 parts is soprano, alto, tenor and bass. These 4 things are called as 4 parts. Normally in church choir, there will be soprano, alto, tenor and bass singers singing. The soprano is the lead singer, which is the melody of the song. The alto, tenor and bass adds flavor to this soprano or the melody. What we are going to do is converting those soprano, alto, tenor and bass in musical form to achieve the choir sound. So this playing is little bit different compared to the piano or other instrument. First, you need to understand the melody of this song. So if you know to read sheet music, I will link the melody of this song in the description below. If you don't know how to read the sheet music, I will play one time this song slowly so that you can pause or slow this video a little bit and understand individual notes key by key for every letters. Let me start. So this is the melody. You need to learn this melody key by key. There is no shortcut. You need to learn this completely. So once you have learned this melody, you need to learn the bass. This song is in the key of C. So that means you need to press only the white keys. It goes like this. If you consider C, D, E, F, G, A, B. So totally you have 7 different notes. So this C, it repeats again here. Unique notes, if you consider, there are only 7. So for these 7, you have 7 different combination. So if you learn these 7 different combination, you can apply that combination into that melody and produce that song. First I will start with the bass. For this song you have only 3 bass notes, which is C, F and G. Only these 3 notes will be used for all these 7 different melody notes. Repeat you how the combination works. For C, C is the bass note. For D, G is the bass note. For E, again C is the bass note. For F, you have the F itself. For G, C is the bass note. For A, F is the bass note. For B, G is the bass note. For C, again C is the bass note. Only C, F and G will be the bass note for all these 7 different keys. So now let me play this song with only bass note. Okay, so this is how you need to combine the melody and the bass note. But still there are alto and tenor which is missing. We have the soprano note, we have the bass note. So alto and tenor combination is like this. So this you need to memorize for all those 7 keys. So you have totally 7 combinations. Let me start from C. For C, C is the bass note. The combination comes like this. For D, G is the bass note. You need to play in the form of octave and then add this. Okay. For E, again C is the bass note. This is the combination. For F, F is the bass note. This is the combination. For G, C is the bass note. You need to press in the form of octave and this is the combination. For A, F is the bass note. This is the combination. For B, G is the bass note. You need to press the same keys here. That's all. For C again it's the same. So this is the combination for individual keys. Now apply this melody into the key combination, you will get a proper organ or a pipe organ tone. Hear it. So that's how you have to play the song. Practice it. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comments. I will see you in the next video.